Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to this Pepe update today. So let's begin with the new month, and the new month has already started out. And if I show you how the monthly looks like, it is looking amazing. Okay, the monthly closing has been pretty good, and you can see that you have your very nice good green closing right there. And from this green closing, I do hope that you start to continue to move somewhere in June. Okay, so June can actually be really good for crypto. We've seen such a very strong closing as well last week. This has been good, but in 1 day 13 hours you're about to close the candle, and I want to just navigate through the smaller time frames and see what exactly is going on now. What's going on is that we previously, as I talked before, we had the rising wedge, I guess, and from there we started to pop to the downside. We came a little bit lower. Now there could be stop losses or maybe some chances of taking the stop loss, but that's not a very strong opinion. What I do see is 1 hour time frame right now, and the 1 hour time frame does look like this. Okay, so if you take support and resistance, it does look like you are making a nice good inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and hopefully if things go great, you're looking for a break, and you may start to move from there to there, and this can actually probably bump back up to 17,589. So put a stop loss if it ever comes to 14,193, because this will destroy the pattern to go up here. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.